How to participate in Winner as an attendee using RingCentral. First, register and sign in to RingCentral. If you have an account, simply sign in. Enter your email and continue. Enter the code that was sent to your email. If you haven't created an account, you need to register. Fill in the form with your email, first name and last name. Once you have registered, you will receive an email from RingCentral providing a link to enter the event. Second, discover areas in Winner. You can find the areas on the left sidebar. Reception area, Stages area, Sessions area, Networking area, Expo area. To get the best experience in this event, make sure that you have a stable internet connection with a minimum 30 Mbps.